Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your man, Adam A. Spencer. Today, we're diving into the process of witnessing me trying to get a credit limit increase from Capital One Bank. Yes, I'm trying to get a credit card increase on one of my cards that I have with Capital One. You know, I've been a customer, I've been with them for years, and they haven't really given me too many increases. Now, I don't use my credit cards with them too much. You know, I probably use them way less than my Chase cards, primarily because of the reward system that I have with Chase. If you guys want to hear more about the reward system and getting points for your usage of a credit card, you know, consider checking out some of my other videos that I have after this video is done, primarily around Chase Bank and some of the Chase credit cards that I have. Love the reward system, so I use those cards for that purpose. But Capital One has been a really valuable component of my credit building journey. They were pretty much my first credit card that I have. They were my first business credit card that I had. I cut it up, unfortunately. I was listening to Dave Ramsey. I literally cut it up. I got to find that footage, but I literally cut it up. And I'm not talking about the song Cut It, Cut It, Cut It, Cut It, Cut It, Cut It. But, Capital One is great for helping you with building your credit. And like I said, they haven't given me the largest limit. Now, I think what I'm learning, what I'm gathering is if you are someone who utilizes Capital One in that manner where your credit score was horrible when you first, opened up a secured credit card with them, and I've made progress, right? My card no longer secured, and it's unsecured now, and I have another card with them, and it's also unsecured. So, my credit score is much higher than where it was. So I believe, this will help me with being able to win them over with giving me a credit limit increase. I could be mistaken though. I tried to get one before using their the form or whatever they have online. It didn't work out so well. They didn't give me an increase. So I figured let's give it another shot. A little time has passed. My credit score has increased a bit as well. Maybe they'll be like, all right, we're gonna hook this brother up now. He's worthy of it. Maybe not. The steps that you want to take to reach out to Capital One is not going to step one. Do not go to Google and type in, Capital One customer service phone number or whatever, because this is the number you're going to get. It ends with 4802. You don't want to go that route. That's what non-loyal customers use. If you're not a customer, you're just reaching out to them for the first time or something, that's probably the number you're going to use. In our case, we are a customer, and we have an existing account. So we want to cut through the nonsense, right? We want to go right to the big dog. So we're going to use this number here. It's an 800 number that ends with 4825. Again, we do not want to use the 4802 number. We want to use the 4825 number. So that's the first step. Second step, you're going to pull out your phone and you're going to type in 1-800-227. It doesn't have a jingle or anything like that. I thought it might, nah. 227-4825, and you're going to press call. Now, this is all in real time.
Thanks for calling Capital One. This call is being recorded. Say or enter the last 4 digits of your card number.
The next step is to have your card number ready.
What was that? What are the last 4 digits of your credit card number? We received your last payment of $9.99 on October 4th. There is currently no balance on this account. There is no payment due at this time. You still have $4,500.00 available for purchases. We'd like to get your income updated. Alimony, child support, or separate maintenance income need not be revealed if you do not choose to have it considered as a basis for repaying this loan. Please say or enter your annual income. Enter only dollars without cents. For example, say $52,400. I heard $150,000. Was that right?
Yes.
Got it. I'll need your current employment status. You can say employed, self-employed, unemployed, retired, student, or other.
Employed.
I heard employed. Was that right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. I've updated your information. Now please tell me why you're calling today. You can say things like, when's my next payment due? Or, I have a question about a charge.
Speak with a representative. I would like to...
I'll need a bit more information to help you. Briefly describe the reason for your call.
I would like to speak with a representative regarding a credit increase.
Got it. You'd like a credit line increase. Just so you know, our representatives are not able to help you with this. Requests for a credit line increase can be taken here in our automated system or online at www.capitalone.com. Would you like to continue with a credit line increase request here?
Yes.
You can say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. And for security, what's your zip code? Thanks. All right. I need to get some information from you in order to process your request for a credit line increase. In a minute, I'll ask you for your total annual income. Alimony, child support, or separate maintenance income need not be revealed if you do not choose to have it considered as a basis for repaying this loan. Tell me your total annual income now, or enter it with your touch-tone keypad, giving me just the dollars without cents. For example, say $52,400, or enter 524. Next question. I'll need your current employment status. You
Employed.
can say, I heard employed. Was that right?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. Tell me your total monthly rent or mortgage payment. Or enter it with your touch-tone keypad, giving me just the dollars without cents. For example, say 1,000. All right. Next question. Tell me how much you spend using credit cards each month. Or enter it with your touch-tone keypad. For example, say $350. Or enter 350. Sorry, could you repeat that? Please speak a little louder.
$3,000.
I heard $3,000. Was that right?
Yes.
All right. I've submitted your request for a credit line increase. You'll receive a letter with the results of the review in approximately 10 business days. You can say repeat, main menu, or switch accounts. Or if you're done here, go ahead and hang up.
Well, my friends, unfortunately, as you just heard, as you witnessed, you can no longer speak with a representative, at least in that manner, that way. Maybe there is a way to go about it that I'm not aware of. If you guys are aware, definitely comment down below, because I think it would be helpful for other people. I think it'd be helpful for myself, because I would rather go about speaking with a actual representative than an automated machine that, doesn't understand situations, that can't hear you, that doesn't can't hear really linguistics and tones. Yeah, it's emergencies out here left and right because people need help. And I'm hoping this video helps you guys with at least getting some motivation or confidence to, jump on the phone and make that call. Like I said, they've changed their process, their systems and whatnot. So before you could call, you can use the form. You had multiple options. Now it seems like you can call, but you're still not going to actually speak with someone like you used to be able to. But like I said, maybe there's something I'm missing. Maybe there is a way to go about speaking with a representative to get a credit increase. Let me know. Comment down below. And while you guys are here, let me know if you have any questions. I will keep you updated. I'll make an updated video when I get the results, if they approve or deny me. And that means you do want to stick around and find out what happens. And in other words, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And while you're down below, smash that thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it lets me know that you guys enjoy and appreciate this type of content. Lastly, if you guys want to see some more tips and tricks, or just hear about other credit cards that you might be interested in, well, consider checking out this video next. Much appreciation for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.